Hey traders, if you have been using the relative strength index in your trading, you know it's quite a powerful momentum tool. But what if I told you there is an upgraded version that gives more accurate signals, better trend confirmation, and stronger trade setups? In this video, we're just going to be breaking down the ultimate RSI indicator, an advanced version of the traditional RSI that helps you identify trends, reversals, and market strength. Okay, with even greater precision. So if you want to take your trading strategy to the next level, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on valuable trading insights. Okay, let us dive right in. Now, the ultimate RSI indicator is an enhanced version of the classic RSI that provides dynamic overbought and oversold levels. So the ultimate RSI indicator adapts to market conditions, giving effective signals. Now, the fact that it gives good signals does not mean that it guarantees profit. Okay, I just need to put that out there. All right, so that you will, set your expectations right. Okay, and then this indicator helps with trend confirmation. It helps you determine whether a trend is strong or weakening before entering a trade. And the indicator smooths out market noise, making it easier to identify true reversals rather than false signals. So if you've ever struggled with false RSI signals, this upgraded tool can assist with help, with filtering out the noise for cleaner and more reliable trade setups. Now, you will notice that there are similarities with the traditional RSI in that there is an overbought level and there is an oversold level, but in this case you can see that the overbought level is at the 80 level, unlike the traditional RSI that whose overbought is at 70 and oversold at 30. This one, the overbought at 80 and the oversold at 20. Anyways, you can modify the levels. Okay, so that's not necessarily a big deal. Okay, we're just talking about the default settings now. Meanwhile, when the indicator, the ultimate RSI enters the overbought territory, it shows that there could possibly be a bearish reversal incoming. You can see what happened here. You can see, but you don't just jump into a sell until this white line crosses below the red line. Okay, that cross below the red line is what confirms the sell move. All right, so whenever this indicator is in overbought territory, you're going to see that it's going to be showing green shaded area, showing that there could possibly be a bearish reversal. And then when you finally have the line, the white cross below the red, that's your sell signal. So at this point, we have not yet gotten a sell signal. We have to wait until the white line crosses below the red line. That is what confirms our sell entry. Okay, you can see that we had a sell signal around here, and yeah, then when the indicator entered oversold level, it showed that the bearish momentum was already getting weak, and then a cross above was a sign to exit our sell or to enter a buy. If you are a scalper, you can just exit your sell and enter a buy. Okay, and this was another buy opportunity coming out from the oversold level. You can see that it crossed above the red line, the white crossed above the red, and then you can see that well, for a while it was consolidating, and finally it went up and entered into the overbought territory. But you could have still possibly remained in your buy trade. Could have still possibly remained in your buy trade until when we had, of course, the stop loss can be below the previous swing low. but it could have still remained in your buy trade until when we had the white line cross below the red line. So when the white line crossed below the red line, that was the cue to exit your buy. Okay, so using this indicator is very easy. All right, it's very easy. Your buy signal basically is when the white line crosses above the red line, coming out of the oversold level. Okay, make sure that the indicator is coming out of the oversold level, even if it is just the tip of it. Okay, and here again you can see, while your sell signal basically is when the white line crosses below the red line, coming down from the overbought level, right? Coming down from the overbought level, that's your sign to exit, to enter a sell. Okay, so when you enter a buy, you can set your stop loss below the swing low, previous swing low, and you can target resistant levels for your take profit, or you can just wait for the white line to cross below the red line from the overbought territory. You can use that as a signal to exit your buy. Then for a sell, when you enter a sell trade, for example, when you enter a sell trade, you can just set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then you can target support levels for your take profit, or you can consider exiting. When the white line crosses above the red line. Okay, you can consider exiting at that point. Okay, so whichever one that you prefer. But as you can see, the signals are quite straightforward. Okay, they're quite straightforward. So you can use this indicator to identify strong trends. All right, you can also use it to identify strong trends. If the ultimate RSI stays above 50 in an uptrend. Okay, so let's see if we can find a period where we had a strong upward move. Okay, we can see that here. So if the ultimate RSI indicator still stays above 50 in an uptrend, okay, this was an uptrend, right? And you can see that most of the time it was above 50 most of the time, right? So in that situation, you will know that the trend is strong. If it is a sell trend, and you notice that ultimate RSI indicator is staying below the 50 level, then that shows that the trend is strong. So in this case, you can see that the sell signal was quite strong, because most of the time the indicator stayed below the 50 level, although at some point it climbed above, especially when we had pullbacks, but then came down back below the 50 level and all of that. So when the indicator is mostly below the 50 level in a sell trend, it shows that the sell trend is strong. When the indicator is mostly above the 50 level in a buy trend, it shows that the buy trend is strong. And you can use this indicator to catch reversals. Okay, basically with the overbought and oversold levels. Okay, so maybe you are in a buy trade and you notice that there is a break of structure, the price breaks below the bullish trend line, and then you notice that your ultimate RSI is already in overbought territory and coming down. It could possibly be a bearish reversal. Okay, and the reverse is the case for a bullish reversal. All right, so the ultimate RSI indicator is quite a powerful upgrade for traders looking to improve their momentum analysis, trend confirmation, and trade accuracy. By combining it with price action and support and resistance levels, you can filter out false signals and find stronger trade setups. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another strategy breakdown. Let me know in the comments, have you used the ultimate RSI indicator? What is your experience with it? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.